पतंग उड़ाना क्या?
तो आपको नहीं उड़ाना है क्या?
नहीं उड़ाना है, मैं ऑलरेडी उड़ाया कल।
कल का नहीं, आज का उड़ाना है लगता
आज का कल।
सो
वो हाँ, हिंदी में एक पोयम रहता है, कल करे सो आज करो, आज करे सो अभी करो ना, इसलिए आज
नहीं,
का
ऐसा
टास्क।
नहीं है, उल्टा हो गया है आजकल। आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो हफ्ते बाद,
और कभी
परसों।
नहीं कर रहे।
और जो वो हफ्ते बाद करना है वो कभी नहीं होना है। ये नया आया है, हमने बनाया है।
मास्टर योर इमोशंस बनाया है क्या?
और क्या, बोले अगर ऐसे ही सोचते रहोगे ना फिर कभी नहीं होने वाला है।
वो लेकिन सोचना है ना, वी बिकम व्हाट वी थिंक अबाउट।
आज करे सो कल करे सो परसों। काहे की जल्दी है जब जीना है परसों।
हाँ, ये देखो,
तो
काहे की
वीडियो
जल्दी
बंद
है
किया
जब
तो
जीना है
मेरे
परसों।
मेरे को कैसे दिखाते हैं? कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है।
क्या नहीं देखा?
अच्छा, आज पहले कोटेशन बताते हैं, लिखो। पेपर और
हाँ, लिखना भी है। एक मिनट।
पेपर पेन ले लो। दिव्या सर
और
पतंग,
कौन कौन है?
पतंग याद किया ना, इसलिए पतंग के लिए कोटेशन बताया।
चलो ठीक है। ऑल फ्लाई काइट्स।
नहीं, वो कोटेशन कैसा होते हैं?
Very nice
रेज
quote actually.
रेज रेज काइट एज
Shine
आई
like a sunshine, fly
वही मैं
high
बोल
like
रहा
a
था।
जो मेरा को याद आता है वही कोटेशन होता है यार।
अबे बराबर तो दे, दिखा मेरे को, मैंने लिखा भी नहीं है।
शाइन लाइक ए
दिखा भी नहीं।
सनशाइन, फ्लाई लाइक ए काइट।
फ्लाई
शाइन
हाई,
लाइक
सिर्फ
सनसाइन।
फ्लाई नहीं, फ्लाई हाई। ऊपर जाना है, नीचे नहीं रहना है।
ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं चले जाना है, नीचे ना आ पाओ फिर।
जब तक वो थ्रेड रहते ना तब तक वो फ्लाई रहते।
अरे किसी ने काट दी तो
काट दिया तो चला जाएगा।
वही रह जाओगे तो।
वही रहना तो।
एनीवे ऑल ऑफ यू,
नहीं,
लास्ट आप लोगों ने कभी काइट फ्लाई किया था?
कल ही किया था ना, बोला ना
Yes.
मैं।
और तेरे तो बारे में कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता ना, तू एडवांस में कर डालता है।
सर 20-25 साल हो गए होंगे।
हाँ तो यार अच्छा है ना, करना चाहिए ना। व्हाट डू यू
बिल्कुल
थिंक?
करना चाहिए सर,
ठीक
बट
है
कम
भाई
करना
साहब।
चाहिए।
क्यों कम है ना?
हाँ? कब?
कम?
हाँ,
वाला आप तो वीकेंड को कर सकते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, उसके लिए पर्टिकुलर कल आज का दिन दिया है ना।
नहीं
दैट्स
तो
इट।
ऑफिस है,
आज
कल
भी
भी
ऑफिस
ऑफिस
है?
था। हाँ, आज भी ऑफिस है, कल भी ऑफिस था।
मेरा वाला भी आज भी ऑफिस है, कल भी ऑफिस है। क्या करूँ?
अब क्या करोगे बता।
तो ऑफिस में जाके
आज
भी
where do you all
उड़ाएंगे।
work? रंजीत सर एंड अखिल, where do you all work? आज कौन ऑफिस रखता है?
मेरा ऑफिस
हमारा
मुंबई
ऑफिस
वाला
है।
है, बुकिट टेक्नोलॉजी। मेरा ऑफिस
अरे
काम सॉफ्टवेयर काम है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम।
वर्क फ्रॉम होम।
इसलिए काम करना
अच्छा।
पड़ता
मैं तो साइड पे भी जाके चलाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
सर आप तो एंटरप्रेनर हो ना, एंटरप्रेनर तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। आज देखो, आज तो विशाल हमसे भी पहले ऑफिस पहुंच गया है।
है। ऑफिस पहुंचा है या घर पे है?
सर आपने कल डरा दिया, अब वो बेचारा
तो बराबर है ना यार, वो बेचारे को तुम लोग को तकलीफ करवा रहा है यार। दैट
उसी के
डजंट
चक्कर
लुक
में
गुड यार।
कल,
है। जल्दी
कल
से आ
अखिल भी
गया।
रगड़ा गया।
आज क्वेश्चन डिफरेंट है, ठीक है।
बोलो।
व्हाट इज द वन थिंग दैट यू डोंट वांट टू डू फ्रॉम यस्टरडे एंड यू वांट टू रिप्लेस इट? सरिता म्यूट पे है।
What
I'm
is
just
the
thinking,
one
what
thing
is that one thing
you don't want to
that you
do
don't want to do?
In your yesterday's task.
in your yesterday's task? It's like this.
हाँ
Unless and until you
हाँ
don't confirm, don't go. You'll waste all of your 12 hours even.
यस
और कल मैं वही किया. That was the end of it.
मैं कल रात तक बहुत
हाँ,
प्रोडक्टिव था। रात में क्या किया, गेम्स खेला।
वेरी गुड.
वो बंद करना
That's
चाहते
good,
हैं।
na?
It's a rejuvenation.
हाँ, it's a break.
नहीं, मेरा
It's a
स्लीप को
break
बंद
time,
किया।
okay.
या रेवती आ गया, वेलकम रेवती।
Hi, Akhil. Hi.
या
good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Hi, good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी
Happy Sankranti, everyone.
हैप्पी संक्रांति टू यू
अरे
आल्सो
तिल गुड नहीं
Happy
है.
Pongal to everyone.
या रेवती जी, टेक पेपर एंड पेन।
पोंगल का पायसम किधर है?
पोंगल कल का आया था।
पोंगल में पायसम नहीं होता, पोंगल में
अच्छा,
हम पोंगल ही देते हैं।
पोंगल
अच्छा ओणम में होता है.
बिजनेस है,
एक ब्रेकफास्ट होते
वो
हैं
भी कुछ
पोंगल।
पोंगल
खाने
में
का चीज
पोंगल
है ना.
खिलाते हैं।
तो
हाँ,
लेट्स ईट
करेक्ट।
दैट.
कल बहुत खाया भाई
हाँ,
पोंगल, कितना 3-4 बार
सीरियसली।
खाया। ठीक है रंजित भाई, शुरू करो।
शुरू करना है.
हाँ
रंजीत सर, आपको आज रीड करना है। टुडे आई एम ऑन अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम रीडिंग। बहुत टायर्ड हूँ मैं, सीरियसली। आई जस्ट लिसन।
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, क्योंकि जो लोग घर में सारा काम करते हैं ना, वो उनके पास बहुत मुश्किल से टाइमिंग होता है. बहुत.
एंड कल मैं पूरा टाइम मतलब सब फैमिली के यहाँ पे ही जा रही थी सुबह से। सुबह के 5 बजे सोती हूँ एंड बैक टू बैक वर्क एंड ऑल। 11 बजे घर पे आई एंड आई स्लेप्ट, डोज्ड ऑफ।
बस यही होता है.
हाँ,
चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर.
एक सेकेंड, कल क्या किया? जंप एंड कंप्लीट हो गया, शाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट सिंड्रोम हो गया। हाँ अभी
नहीं,
शुरू करो।
वही चल रहा है. एसओएस ही चल रहा है.
एसओएस ही चल रहा है।
हाँ. So good morning, friends. Yesterday
Good
we
morning.
discussed part of shiny object syndrome. In this, we discussed why someone fails to complete his goals. It was due to inconsistency or inability to stay focused. And what was the reason for getting out of focus? First was lack of understanding. Second thing was ineffective strategy. Then we discussed about 4 steps for strategy. And the third thing was impatience, that you cannot become millionaire in 30 days, or you cannot lose weight of 10 kg in 15 days. Okay, so coming to next, we are on the fourth reason of failure to achieve goals. The fourth reason is inconsistency. The fourth reason is inconsistency. Being patient is wonderful, but if you just wait around without doing anything, nothing is going to happen. If you just wait around without doing anything, nothing is going to happen. Lack of consistency is another key factor explaining why people don't reach their goals. Do you know that the swimmer and the Olympic gold medalist Michael Phelps did not miss a single day of training from the age of 12 to 18? So, for continuous 6 years, he has not missed a single day. That is what is called consistency. We all know people who cannot stop talking about what they are going to do. They are going to lose all this weight, create this incredible business, and make all that money. But once the original excitement wears off, you never hear about their excitement plans. They already have moved to the next new thing, and they will keep moving onto the different things for years and never hitting any of their targets. Why? Because it is a pattern. It is a habit that is deeply ingrained in your mind. The same goes for everyone. If you lack consistency in one area, you probably will lack consistency in other areas too. Someone said, how a person is doing one thing, in the same way he will be doing everything in his life. And this was not written in the book. I just copied it from some movie. So, if so, reading one more book, taking one more course, trying one more diet plan, you are just changing your patterns. If you want to successful, or if you want to achieve anything, you just have to stick to one plan. That plan should become your identity. That is consistency. Now, coming to the next reason is fear. The reason many people fail to achieve their results because is due to fear. Jumping from one opportunity to another opportunity is an excuse to avoid the hard work. Jumping from one opportunity to another opportunity serves as an excuse to the hard work. This is like people who spend hours looking for best productivity hacks. This is for like people who looks for hours for best productivity hacks while putting off most important tasks they should be focusing on. You may feel stuck when you are trying to move away from your fears. This is the one reason you see many people who, after having reading countless books, are still stuck in the exact same situation as they started in. Remember, action cures fear. Remember, action cures fear. While there are many techniques to overcome your fears, like we discussed a day or 2 days before yesterday, just do it. Akhil mantra. It was a combined line. Akhil, what was it?
Don't quit, just
Don't
do
quit,
it.
just do it.
Right. So just do it might be the one of the most effective way. Although it might sound like a glitch, it really does work. So what about you? Are you taking all the actions you should be taking right now? Okay. Now the next reason is lack of commitment. The next reason is lack of commitment. Most people pursue goals without their commitment towards their goals. They buy a program, they buy a book, knowing it is not going to work for them. They still buy it, and they also know it is not going to work for them. However, by thinking this way, they already have failed before even getting started. Trouble is, they might not even be aware of it. The main reason is that we have habit of the same things, that we started a lot of things but have not completed. So in our mind, it is now inbuilt that this time it is also I'm not going to complete it and I'm again going to fail it. So before starting actually anything, we have a tendency in our mind that we are going to fail. So what is the most important thing? Most important thing is commitment. Commitment is a powerful force. Unfortunately, few people take advantage of it. As we will see later, committing to something and being held accountable to it's an effective way to maintain momentum and achieve your goals. So to be effective, you have to set a specific goals. You have to set specific goals that feels right for you. You also need to establish clear deadline for its achievement. And when you commit something to do, you must do. When you commit to something, you must be honest with yourself. Listen to your inner things. you must pay attention to any sign of resistance. Now, resistance is basically due to these three reasons. Your internal resistance to any new task or any commitment is due to the following three reasons. First is lack of clarity. You are unsure what you are trying to achieve or don't know how you will achieve it. Second is lack of passion. Your goal does not feel quite right for you. Lack of passion, your goal does not feel quite right for you. Perhaps this is the goal which is misaligned, with your values, purpose, vision of life. If you don't feel drawn towards your goal, you will struggle to remain motivated. So you have to look for a goal which is passionate. Third is lack of belief. Deep down, you don't feel that you cannot accomplish your goal. If this is the case, you need to lower your target or extend your deadline. You want your level of confidence in your ability to achieve your goal to be at least 7 out of 10. Once you know what you want and how to achieve it, you truly believe you can do it. Committing will come easily. The next reason, can we continue or can we discuss tomorrow? It is 6
1
minutes.
minute. Go ahead.
Hmm?
1 minute is there. Go ahead.
In 1 minute, it will not be completed.
शुरू करो कुछ भी नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, रीड.
Okay, so next thing is information overload. This is the most, I will say, when we want to achieve anything, okay, we are getting it from lot of sources. It may be YouTube, it may be Google, it may be like lot of books. You ask from friends, you buy courses, multiple courses. So what is it? It is basically information overload. So we must avoid it. Like simply, what changed my life is simply this one book. I'm currently just focusing on just reading this book on daily basis. Nothing else. No new courses, nothing else. And if I am able to apply only this book, I know that I will be at another level. I need not to go for any another new courses or anything. So we should avoid information overload. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ranjit bhai. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ranjit sir.
कंसिस्टेंसी
Thank
के
you.
बारे में एक
आप लोगों
कोटेशन
के लिए
बताया तुमने. हाउ डू यू वन थिंग इज हाउ डू यू डू एवरीथिंग. यही कोटे है.
Yes.
हाउ यू डू वन थिंग इज हाउ यू डू एवरीथिंग. बोला था फियर इज द रीजन ऑफ फेल्यूर एंड एक्शन क्यूर्स द फियर. डिसीज बताया, उसको मेडिसिन भी दे दिया. बहुत बढ़िया. और कमिटमेंट इज ए पावरफुल फोर्स. वाई पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू कमिट इज बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव क्लैरिटी और नॉट अलाइंड विथ योर कोर वैल्यूज. और इसलिए क्या होते हैं, टारगेट स्लो कर रहा है या डेडलाइन एक्सटेंड कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं करना है. इसलिए बोल रहा है जो आज का टारगेट है उसका कंप्लीट करना. शाइन लग के सनशाइन, फ्लाई हाई लग के काइट. थैंक यू.
Okay,
देख
that's
लो कुछ
awesome.
मोटिवेशन भेजा है.
This was very powerful, huh? What you read. So much relatable.
That's
And it was like an eye opener for me, I would say.
That's the reason, Sarita, I was saying that if we just stick to one thing, na, even simple
Yeah.
one book, you are going to reach
That's
your
enough. True, that's enough. That's more than enough.
one Instagram reel
And in
is
fact,
enough.
applying it very is important.
goal. Right.
Ranjit bhai,
Reading and getting into the actions.
As Ramesh told, na, 1:4. 20 minutes reading and 80 minutes implementation.
that's true.
Yeah, absolutely.
Vishal sir, you want to say anything?
He is busy in writing. Lot of things he write.
No. I just wrote a few points from the
Okay,
Very good.
that's awesome. Now
Yeah,
Revati
but
ji, turn.
I missed these sessions in the past, and it's really great. I'll be attending most of the class.
You want us to change the
These are our
timings?
meetings. No. Timing is good. Timing is
That's awesome, Ishan.
We
That's
are
good
all
to listen.
owls. We are all owls. 3 owls.
This energy
We
is
don't
been
sleep.
continuous from past 3 months. We are in consistency mode. Yeah, and if you talk consistency, Divya sir is there from 800 days. He is consistent early morning, every day he is used to message. Yeah, consistency will
Revati,
come.
anything to talk? Tell.
Revati, yeah,
Speak.
I wanted to.
You gave me some valuable points, like the biggest things where I miss is commitment. I have many things, but coming to actions is what I feel. So I think I need to focus on one task at a time, keep small goals, deadlines for goals.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
that's true.
But don't die for that deadlines. Try to do it, bus.
सर
Nothing more.
डेडलाइन मतलब भी डेड लाइन है.
नहीं,
बना
वैसे
ही
नहीं
ऐसे
है.
है.
You can reach, you may not reach, but don't feel bad about it. That is the biggest thing. Continue next day. Everything you cannot do. Okay.
Sir, that is
It's always.
simple 1% rule.
Ah,
Just add on something to your goal,
that's it.
but consistently. And
Yes.
one day you will achieve it.
Success
Definitely.
is the progressive realization of your worthy ideal. Strangest secret. सही है. Thank you so much everyone. Happy Pongal once again.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Happy Pongal to everyone.
Happy
Good day.
Pongal, friends.
I have sent an
Thank you.
invitation
Happy
for everyone.
Pongal, happy
Just see
Where?
and
Makar Sankranti.
in the group.
So we
Just
can
say
join on
hi.
Teams, huh?
Well, anywhere
Huh?
I can.
नहीं मतलब we can't meet like physical meeting नहीं हो सकता, but ऐसे Teams में है. You want us to throw a party. Oh, who's this cutie?
That's my daughter's son.
Oh, your grandson.
Yes.